Hi guys, welcome to my channel, How to Do 13. Quick video today on iPhones, and if you got a problem with your screen, whether it's cracked or not working and the button don't work at the bottom and you're finding it really hard to get onto apps or whatever, well, don't fret, because now I'm going to show you simply how to do it. As you can see on the screen, the actual button, that's it there. But before I get into it now, please like and subscribe to my video. Every day I'll be uploading things from technology to general ideas, because Einstein said if you want to be a genius, learn something new every day. So I'm willing each time I make a video to give some general knowledge, and it'll be easy so you can remember and simple. For instance, today's one is people say the dark side of the moon, but in reality the moon isn't dark on the other side. It's only, we class it as dark because it's in the shade from the front. Do you get what I mean? But the light's hitting it just as much on the back as it is on the front, but we don't see that. That's all it is. My first other general knowledge question, what I gave you last week, was what language is universal no matter where in the world, or even on planets, you know, zillions of miles away and aliens and whatnot? There's one language that we all have in common, and it's not going to be like English and all that. It's maths. Regardless of what it is, where you come from, one's always going to be one, two's always going to be two, one and one. Do you know what I mean? As an intelligent race, no matter being wherever, as long as they've got some sort of what do you call it now, analytical mind, then they're going to learn maths. And you know what I mean, get to the fire stage where we did, and burning our food with fire, so that caused us to then have protein, and it helps our brain develops from the Stone Age to where we are now. So just things like that I'll be telling you every day, interesting things, and it's from Einstein. He's saying, anyway, getting back on, if you got any of these iPhones here, or what you don't matter what it is, I'm gonna fix it for you. Very simple. Right, this is the button. As you can see, this is the button that you want. Let me just get this. And there on the screen now, you can see in there with the bubble, with the circle around it, and you can actually touch on that and move it to whatever part of the screen you want. So if you're reading something and that's in the way, you only have to touch it and you can go back up. And it's called the Assistive Touch, as you've seen it at the beginning. Touch accommodation and assistive touch. And how do we get to there? Well, all we do here, 3 steps. I'm sorry, my laptop, I've got it a bit wet so the button's not working properly. I'm having to double click, well, on the screen, and I'm making a video like this as well. It's only just happened. That's irony, that is. Anyway, as you can see here, all you need to do is go to the settings, accessibility, and you'll see it, touch, then select the assistive touch to turn it on. Once you've done that, and maybe before, try this first, say, hey Siri, turn on assistive touch. And if you've already got hey Siri set up on your phone, you might be able to do it just by that, just by saying, hey Siri, turn on assistive touch. That's it. But if you haven't, like we said, go to settings, accessibility, and you can even have it a shortcut and turn it on there. And what's a shortcut? And it's this. Do you know, like when you put your battery light on your phone, and all you do is you swipe up on your phone. At the bottom, this is a shortcut. So instead of going to all your settings, you can just go up and bam, touch it on assistive settings there, and it'll be this one on the left where Siri and notifications. Anyway, it adds to that. So this is what it's saying. So pause the screen, have a look, and like I said, a quick video. I hope you enjoyed that. Please like and subscribe. I'm getting my 100 subscribers anytime now. I'll be giving prizes out in the future. If you want to donate to my channel from the beginning, it's going to get massive. Can in the description, and I'll thank you on screen. You all take care, folks. Catch you on the rebound. Bye.